Hi, my name is Chet Clark, and I'm your Clean Connect. Hello, my name is Chet Clark, and I'm with Cleaners Connection from North Little Rock, Arkansas. They've hired me here to be the outside customer representative. So my job is to take care of all the customers that we have, and I'm able to drive to your business or to help you on a job, and I will come to the job that you're working on if you need my help. Cleaners Connection down here, we sell all the supplies for mold restoration, fire, water, carpet cleaning, any kind of restoration or cleaning services like that. We offer the chemicals and the equipment for you to be able to take care of your customers. Anywhere from a truck mounted machine to little sponges that you wipe walls down, we've got all the stuff down here that you need to make your business successful. And my job is to help you do that. That's what I do. I'm a customer representative, and I'm going to be the best one there is. So give us a call down here at 501-771-1416.